In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block an Instagram account in 2021. Okay, so this will work for both Android and iOS devices. So once you've loaded up Instagram, you'll be on your homepage, and let's say you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, and then you decide that you want to block an account that you see in your feed. So you can see three vertical dots on the right hand side of that person's username. If you go ahead and tap on that, you can see there's only the option at the bottom there to unfollow them, not to block them. So if you go back, what you need to do is actually tap on their username to go to their profile, and then you can see those three dots again at the top right hand side of the page. Tap on that, and then you can go ahead and tap the block button there underneath the report button. Tap on block, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to block them? It says they won't be able to find your profile, post, or story on Instagram, and they won't be notified that you blocked them. So if you want to go ahead and block them, just tap the blue block button, and they have been successfully blocked. But you can always unblock them at any time by going to your block list, which I have done a separate video on. So you can check that out on my channel. And another way that you can go ahead and block someone is if you go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. You can tap on your followers and you can do the same process. Tap on one of your followers, and then tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on the block button, and it'll repeat the same process. So that is how you block someone on Instagram in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.